Dito na lang kami kumain sa may Meet Together Pasay. Located nga lang po ito sa may second floor ng Walter Mart, Macapagal, Pasay City. And ito naman po yung view nila from the inside. Well, as you can see naman po is very spacious talaga yung place. Very modern nga at napaka-cozy ng vibe. This is a perfect place nga for you and for your friends to hang out. May pang-apatan, meron din pang-animan at meron din pang-maramihan. At ito naman po yung kanilang menu, which is for only 498 pesos nga for weekdays, then 598 pesos naman for weekends and holidays. At syempre, kung gusto mong masulit, meron ding option for 3 hours. And of course, bilang per head nga is may separate rate din sila for kids. To be honest nga, I find their rates naman reasonable kasi katulad nga nung sinabi ko sa inyo kanina, combination na siya ng hot pot at samgyup. Sobrang dami mo nga rin pwedeng pagpilian talaga. From pork, beef, chicken, pati mga seafoods, sobrang daming variations din ang kanilang ino-offer. At syempre, to add a little extra of spice and yumminess on your meal, madami rin silang ino-offer dito ng mga sauces. Just like other buffet restaurant nga din, meron din sila syempreng dessert station.